Hey budgeters, ever wanted to instantly track down your spending by category without scrolling through endless logs? Let me introduce you to the Quick Search Sheet, your new favorite tool for smart, searchable budgeting. At the very top, we've got the heart of this tool, the search bar. Just type in the category you're looking for, like groceries, subscriptions, or dining out, and hit enter. The sheet does the magic and filters only the results you want to see. Just below, you'll instantly get detailed results for that category. The month the transaction was logged, the exact date, the amount, a neat graph for quick visual tracking, and any notes you added. This gives you both clarity and context. Fast. On the side panel, you'll find multiple dynamic graphs that update based on your search. These help you analyze trends, spending spikes, or consistency across months, all tailored to your selected data. It's perfect for making smarter financial decisions on the fly. And that's how the Quick Search Sheet brings speed and precision to your personal finance toolkit. No more guesswork. Just clear, filtered, visual results whenever you need them. If you're loving these tools, hit that like button, subscribe, and don't forget to comment below with your favorite budgeting category. See you in the next tutorial.